Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should launch the Play Store application, and then on the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait while the application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the application. Here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher and click twice to OK. Now just go back and tap to the switch input methods and switch your switch keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished, as can you see. And now we'll go somewhere when we can just tap something. As can you see, here we got our new keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all the emojis. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.